Hi Max, this is Molly from Beast Marketers. Chris asked me to shoot a quick video just going a few tips and tricks that you can utilize that's going to help your website grow and bring in more clients. So looking at your site, I think it's a beautiful site, really informational. You got great stats showing right up front. One thing I would suggest is content. Google does like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. The reason for that is throughout all that content, you can strategically place keywords. What a keyword is, that's anytime somebody is, think about if you're your client, what are they going to Google and search for to find you? This is your way of telling Google, here are the searches that I want to show up for. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how your website is performing online. So looking at this shows the basic analytics of how you're doing. So right now, you're only getting about 208 clicks to your site a month. And that's because of this over here. You have over 4,000 backlinks coming from 77 referring domains. What a backlink is, that's anytime your website is linked from another site or referring domain, as we call them, and it points direction back to you. However, not all of these referring domains are the same. It really is quality over quantity. Only 39 of these domains are what we call do follow. That means that they actually are pointing direction back to you. The other almost 40 are really not doing any good. So there's a good portion of these backlinks that aren't actually serving you. You are ranking for 479 keywords. So let's take a look. Now, when it comes to keyword, there's two different types. There's branded or informational ones, but what really is important is what's called buyer intent. So somebody who is actually looking for a staffing agency for digital marketing or technology, rather than someone who just wants information or is specifically looking for your brand. So, like Sloane Staffing, obviously that's branded, so you're going to rank for that. But we want to find anything that has to do with IT staffing, um, MarTech staffing, or digital marketing. So as you can see, most of this is just informational, benefits of using a staffing agency. So I went ahead and decided to search technology staffing agency to see what comes up. So there are people that are showing up in a Google Maps area, but since you're online, here's what we want to find. So this is the organic section. So roberthalf.com. Their technology page is ranking. Let's take a look. So they have 71,000 backlinks coming from 1.36 thousand referring domains. So you want to come in here and you want to find what domains are your competitors getting their backlinks from, and not only match that number, but you want to outrank them by at least 100 referring domains. They're getting 7.7 thousand clicks to their site a month because they're ranking for 1.3 thousand keywords. And we already know that they are ranking for buyer intent keywords such as technology staffing agency. So IT staff agency, that is searched 1.3 thousand times a month. They're getting 433 of those clicks because they're ranked number one. Tech headhunter IT searched 800 times a month. IT staffing agencies searched 700 times a month. IT staffing agencies near me, IT staffing firm, search 300 times a month. IT staffing, search 1.3 thousand times a month. So these are the kind of keywords that you want to show up for when you're going into search keywords. And the same would apply, you would just put digital marketing staffing services, digital marketing recruiting agencies, digital marketing staffing agencies or agency, which you have to list them both ways because those are considered two separate searches. And I did the same. I went ahead to check. Let's see what comes up for digital marketing staffing agencies. These are paid ads, but organically, the first person who comes up is Mondo.com. And we go and see how Mondo's doing. They have 9,000 backlinks coming from 1.4 thousand referring domains. They're ranking for 12,000 keywords and bringing in 24,000 clicks to their site a month. And again, this is just great insight. You find your competitors, find what keywords they're ranking for, make sure you have those on your site many, many times over. Make sure that you're listing for those and that you go in, find the domains that they're at and match that. And not only match it, again, but outrank them by at least 100 referring domains. So this is just a start of the things that you can do to make sure that you put yourself on the map when people are searching for IT or technology staffing agencies, digital marketing staffing agencies, and those sort of things. So I hope that this video was beneficial, and we would love to hear your feedback. Have a great day. Thanks so much.